Good morning. All fine? Yes? Okay. So some homework was given to you in last class. I hope you have done. Yes? Everything done? Okay. There were the very basic things I said, okay, to do. Okay, everyone have done. Very, very good. Okay. One more thing, today I will give you homework that is again out of, okay, this one you have to do by yourself. How to take root, because square you learned, cube you learned. So how to take root, like if I put any number here, like this is the root. If I put any number like 1729, you should be able to guess what will be the answer here. Means like here I can put any number. So can we find root here? Yes, this thing you have to learn by yourself. We know or we don't know. Well, sometimes in our questions, what will happen? That a lot of time we will get values like this, and then we are not able to guess what will be the means perfect root will not be there. Then we need to guess the answer. So this thing you have to do, by yourself. And some people are saying yes, no, we know. Some people, most of the people saying we don't know. You might forget those things. You can just search on YouTube, how to take the root, you will get that, This one you have to learn by yourself. Clear? We can do. This is also required, Okay, good. If you are able to, one time you will try. If you are able to do, very good. If you are not able to do, then I will tell, But I am giving this one as homework. You have to do this thing. In these, already I said that in 1 week in basic mathematics does not mean only we'll go with the integration, we'll go with your differentiation, we'll go with the trigonometry. We need to, whatever the required things are there. If you are not comfortable with the fraction, how to add, how to subtract, how to take LCM, these things you can learn from your siblings. You can learn these things if you forgot, because we need these things will be basically used in our calculations. So in last class we did degree, radian, minute and seconds conversion. I hope everyone is perfect in that. Can we convert degree, radian, yes, minute and seconds conversion? Yes. Okay, good. So that thing is over now. Now we are going for next things. So if I ask that theta equal to arc by radius, then what unit you will use? Theta equal to arc by radius, what unit we are going to use? All the time you have to use as radian. Second question, and SI unit also for the angle is the radian. If anyone is asking what is the SI unit of angle, then we can say that is the radian only. That we will see in the your unit and dimension chapter. One thing I'm asking here, what is the value of pi? Value of pi. Whenever we have to put the value of pi, it is the 3.14. Yes, 22 by 7, 3.14. Don't put 180. Pi radian is equivalent to 180 degree, but value is 3.14 only. So these were the two things where generally I have seen some people doing the mistakes. We will not do mistakes on this. Now, if I say that I'm having this triangle here, and in this one, everyone is, I think, very clear about that. We can say one will be the perpendicular here, another will be the base. Yes. So if I say that this one, what you will say? Perpendicular or base or hypotenuse, what we are going to say this thing? Yes, I'm asking here. This side. Most of the people are saying perpendicular. Yes, this can be base also, or this is perpendicular. This can be base, or this is 100% perpendicular. What do you say? If any, yes, it can be. Basically, we need to define first angle. Okay, angle I have to give. Okay, when I will give you angle, then only we can say. Like if I say this is the your angle here, this angle I am considering, then I can say this is going to be my perpendicular. This is going to be my base. This is basically your h. Okay, but if I take here, okay, in the same question, exactly same question, if I take this one as theta, then I can say this side I will treat h. This side I'm going to treat as base. Okay, so this one will be the base here. Then we can say this side, okay, yes, opposite side we can say as the P, and this side we can say as the your H. About H, there is no doubt. No one will be doing mistakes in H. Sometimes some people do mistakes in this basic things that the class 6th or 7th, I think, okay, in base and perpendicular identification. So I hope we can do this identification, perpendicular as well as base identification. Yes. Okay, okay. So you can say in okay, adjacent to this, opposite to angle, that we will say as the your what? Opposite side we will say what? P. Okay. Now, based on this, we are having some angle. Okay, we can say here some trigonometric ratio are there that you already know. Sine theta. So sine theta we can say what? Sine theta we can say your P divided by, yes, you need to tell, I will not tell. Yes, P by H. Okay, so this one we can say H, P divided by H. Next comes your cos theta. So cos theta we can say what? Then will be the B by H. Okay, and then we can say tan theta. So you can say tan theta is nothing but the, yes, P by B, perpendicular by base we can say. These are the three main ratio I will use almost lot of time. Okay, P by H, B by H. Okay, you need to make your own rule how you can remember these things. Lot of people have different methods to remember. Okay, but okay, I'm not telling any short trick here at least. Okay, because this is a very basic things. Okay, some people remember like this P B P, then H H B, something like this. Okay, you have to remember. Okay, then we are having your, okay, some three other ratio I can say, that will be the basically your cosec theta. Okay, so I can say cosec theta is basically 1 by sine theta. Okay, this relation we need to remember. Cosec theta will be 1 by sine theta, and 1 by sine theta, then we can say this is going to be your h divided by p. Okay, so this one will not, just you have to remember cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. Then we come have here sec theta. So sec theta is basically 1 by cos theta, and then we can say that is the one cot theta, and then we can say as the 1 by tan theta. Okay, so mainly we are interested in these three things, and you can say these three are just okay, reverse. Okay, yes, reciprocal we can say. Over cosec is 1 by sine, sec is 1 by cos, and cot is 1 by tan. Any problem? Can I ask one question now? Ready? Okay, you know Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is there. There is the relation between P, B, and H. Quite important. Very basic. Yes. It says this square, bigger side. Okay, this square will be equal to this square plus this square. Means I can write here in this case, your H square is going to be equal to B square, or I can say, okay, B square, base square plus P square. Okay. So this one we need to remember. This is known as Pythagoras. So I can say H square equal to B square plus P square. What are the use of this? Okay, side 1 square plus side 2 square equal to hypotenuse square, or we can say base square plus perpendicular square equal to your H square. Okay, means this will help you to find P, B, and H. So are you ready to do one question here? Yes, I can ask. Ready? You will tell the answer. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now, what will happen when we will be solving the question of critical angle? Okay, like this year also, you know, a critical angle question was asked. But whatever the question this year was there was a straightforward question. They asked option also in terms of sine. So, what will happen that critical angle, we know it is in terms of sine, but options they will give in terms of cos, in terms of tan, in terms of some other Okay, so I'm giving one question here and then you need to tell me here. I hope you are ready with this thing. This part is clear. Yes, anyone having any problem here, you can ask. Yes, it is over. Okay. Yes. So question is here. Sine theta they have given in this case. Okay. Sine theta equal to, like, critical angle basically. Can you tell me the formula of critical angle? Yes, anyone? Sine theta equal to? If you remember. If you don't remember, there is no problem. If you remember, then you can tell. Sine theta equal to 1 by mu. Yes, 1 by mu is the, okay. So suppose if I give you refractive index is 3. If refractive index is 3, then what will be the sine theta value? Sine theta will be equal to how much? 1 by 3, okay. So they have given that refractive index is 3. Like this year that question they asked, they give the 2 refractive index. Actually 2 refractive index, we know mu r by mu d. So they asked the value of sine theta. A very straightforward question was there. Sometimes what happens, you got sine theta 1 by 3, but options, there will not be any option that is matching with sine theta equal to 1 by 3. Option will match with cos theta equal to, tan theta equal to, secant theta equal to, cot theta equal to. So now you need to give me all other values. Okay, what will be the cos theta? What will be cos theta? Let's see who will get the answer first. Cos theta. Yes. What is the value of cos theta? Who will be giving me answer first for this one? Sin theta is there. We need to find cos theta. Priyanka is saying root 8 by 3. Umar Ali is saying 1 by 4. Amrutan 1 3. So different people are giving different answers. I'm not finding. Okay, I will give you hint here. Okay, because this one we will use in some of the questions. We can say sine theta is basically perpendicular divided by h. So P and H we know, so we can draw this right angle here. We can say if this angle is theta, then perpendicular, this will be the perpendicular here. Perpendicular we can say how much here? 1. And hypotenuse we can say as 3. So we can say this one is 3, this one is 1. You need to find this base. And for this base, we can use Pythagoras. Right now, I will write in detail, okay, that yes, Pythagoras, this. Later on, you have to do direct this thing. And what we can write here, you can say, sir, just now you told bigger side, this hypotenuse is square. So square of 3 will be 9. B square plus this square will be 1. So from here, we can say B square as 8. So B becomes basically root 8. Base, we got root 8. Root 8, we can say is the 2 root 2 also, okay. 2 root 2, okay, 2 root 2 or root 8. Once you know all the 3 sides, you can find whatever the trigonometric ratio is there in the options, we can find. So now we can say cos theta, that will be the base, divided by h, and you can say answer becomes 2 root 2 divided by h, that is the 3. If they're asking tan theta you can say perpendicular by base. So perpendicular by base, perpendicular you can see that is the your 1 here, base that is already we got 2 root 2. So 1 by 2 root 2. Can you find other also? Sec, cosec as well as? Yes? Can we do? Are you ready? Next question, can we do? This question no one is going to ask you directly. Okay, basic mathematics will not be coming directly in your syllabus or in NEET examination. But yes, this thing can be used in some of the questions to match the option. You got sine theta equal to. Now we need to find the option is there in the form of cos theta. Option is there in form of tan theta. So are you ready to do one more question? Yes? Okay. So I'm going to, write one more question and you have to tell me answer for this. Anyone having problem in this question, ask fast if you have any problem in this question. In this pattern, okay? What we are learning here, trigonometric ratio along with hyper, okay? Yes, okay, very good. Now, one more question I'm giving here. Suppose you got in this case, sine theta equal to somewhere, like that this year question, you remembered? Anyone remembered what was the answer for this year question, sine theta equal to? So how written root 8 into 2 root 2 with another example? Okay, okay, I will tell. Someone is asking here, sir, root 8, how we have written 2 root 2? Actually, root 8, this one we can write here, root 8h, okay? 8 we can write 2, 2, 2 basically, okay? 8 is the 2 into 2 into 2. 2, 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Now you can say that this is the pair, and pair can be outside. Whenever it will be in form of pair, you can take that pair always outside, okay? From this root, okay? So you can take these, okay? 2 are the pair, so they will be coming outside, and then we can say like this, okay? 2 root 2. I can take one more example. Can I take one more example here? Yes, one more example I'm taking, okay, so that you can remember this thing. Suppose if I give you somewhere like this, you got, okay, root 18. Root 18, what we can write? Then you will say, sir, root 18 we can write like this, okay, 3 into 3 into 2. So what will be now outside? You can say 3 into 3, this is the pair here, this can be outside. So we can say answer becomes here what? 3 root 2, okay? Clear? Array, this thing, anyone having problem? Okay, so this way we can write these things, okay? Yes. Yes, Sanvi, it is clear. Can we go for next question? Or I need to take one more question here. Tell fast. Okay, it is clear. Okay, then we'll go for next question. I was asking, you remember this year answer? What was the answer for this question? Critical angle they asked. 2 pair, 0.75. Ruchita is saying 0.75. Yes, at least, okay. If you don't remember, no problem. Means it was basically 3 by 4. Okay, 0.75 means 3 by 4, okay. Sine theta 3 by 4. Now you need to give me value of cos theta. Means if I have to ask this question, I will not be asking directly sine theta. Same question I can ask, but generally what happens when we are asking these questions, we don't ask direct. Same question we ask, okay, a lot of time, we little bit change. We can ask cos theta, we can ask tan theta. 5 by 4, cos theta is 5 by 4. 5 by 4, root 7 by 4, I'm getting options, root 5 by 4. One question I have told, and this question you are doing mistake means it will not be acceptable. So do correct. Same process, whatever we have done in this question, exactly same way you have to do. Pythagoras triplet, I will tell you Pythagoras triplet. What is the Pythagoras triplet? What I'm saying, whatever we are going with very, very basic things. This is the 7th class question. It's still not reached 9th and 10th class. 7th class we are not able to do. Root 5 by 4, root 7 by 4. Someone is saying, sir, 5 by 4. Someone is assuming Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet is there, but there is the something. In the Pythagoras triplet, blindly you cannot say everything in the Pythagoras triplet. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 in the, okay, and then going on randomly anything. Go with your rules, whatever just now I told. Okay. Root 7 by 4, most of the people are saying here, I think. Let's see what will be the correct answer. You can say this sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sometimes you don't laugh on yourself that this basic question we are not able to get the answer. Sometimes you laugh on yourself or you don't laugh. That up to 12th class we have completed and this 7th class is going on. First laugh and then learn, okay, that yes, this way we will do. So we can say this is the perpendicular by hypotenuse here, okay. So we will draw this triangle here. Then we can say this angle is theta. So perpendicular we can say 3, this is 4. Again I need to find the base here. Base I need, okay. So if you need the base, then we can say this, okay, 4 square, basically h square equal to, we can say p square plus b square here. So h square, there will be the 16 equal to b square plus 3 square will be your 9. Now what we can say, b square, 9 this side, so that is going to be 7 Yes. So we can say b square equal to 7. So bb is going to be root 7. Okay. Root 7. Then we can write here, once you got this cos theta equal to, we can say then the base divided by h. Base we got root 7 divided by, we can say that is the 4. Root 7 by 4. Okay, so many people gave correct answer, but a lot of people give any random things also. Then we can say tan theta. So tan theta becomes basically in this case, okay. So perpendicular, that is 3 divided by base, we can say root 7. Okay. And the remaining ratio, I hope we can find. Yes. Can we go for next question now? Some people might be thinking, sir, we learned somewhere this is the triplet, and why we are not getting answer using the triplet. Okay, I will tell you about the triplet. Okay, then what are the actual triplet? Okay, randomly, blindly, we cannot go with anything. Yes. Can we write one more question? Same, based on this format. Ready? Okay. Now, so next question is here for you. I'm going to give you tan theta, and this tan theta value which, okay, what value you decide. Oh, okay, take any value, random value. What do you say? Someone is saying, sir, 6 by 4, 13 by 9, okay, 7 by 5. Yes, I can take anything, 3 by 4, okay. So I can take here, that will be the, okay, 7 by 5. Okay, someone, okay, said 7 by 5. I have taken this 7 by 5, okay. Now tell me sine theta. Only sine theta I need. Just sine theta. Find sine theta. I have given here find sine theta. I don't need cos, I don't need any other thing. Just I need sine theta. Yes. What is answer for sine theta? Tell fast. Taking so much time. 7 by 74. One answer we got. I don't think that this is going to be correct. 7 by root 60. 7 by 2 root 6. 7 by root 74. 17 by root 74. You know, in NEET, how many options will be there? 4 options will be there. And you are giving different answers. Till now, I received almost, I think, 8 options I received. 8 to 10 options. Now, options increased. Only 4 options. How you are getting different answers? After 2 questions, third question must be having correct answer. Yes. Now, we can say this is your perpendicular. Okay. So perpendicular, we can say in this case that is going to be 7. Base is going to be your 5. You need to find h. So we can say h square is going to be square of this, that is the 25, plus square of this, that is the 49. Now we can say this is going to be 74. So h is going to be, h square is the 74. So h we can say root of 74. And once you got root of 74, then we can say sine theta is going to be perpendicular. That is basically in this case 7 here. So now we can say that sine theta equal to perpendicular, that is the 7, divided by h, that is the root of 74. Okay, that is the answer here. Okay, over. Yes. Okay, almost 80% people were correct also in this question. Now, what some people do, don't do this thing. Okay, whatever I'm going to tell in the next 10 seconds, whatever I'm going to say, don't do. Some people cancel 7, 7. 7, 7, sir, 7, 7 can be cancelled. Cancelled. Then 1 by root 4, answer becomes 1 by 2. Game over. Don't do these type of things. Okay, there are the certain set of rules. Okay, so don't do any randomly things, whatever things are coming to your mind. Okay, so can we write one more question here? That will be the last question for this series. Yes. One more. Okay. This will be the actual means derivation that we will do in our I took a lot of questions from the TIR, so I can take again one more from the TIR. But it will not be used not only in the TIR, it will be used in a lot of chapters. Okay, in vectors somewhere sine theta, then we will get the cos theta. Okay, we need to find the cos theta. So many chapters I will use. Okay, I'm just taking the example of TIR, but it will be used in a lot of chapters. Okay, because this year they asked the question of TIR, that's why. Okay, can we go for next? Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to take here, that is the sine theta equal to, again I can say, mu1 by mu2. Okay, everyone is clear what is the mu1, what is the mu2, that I'm not going into detail of that. Okay, mu1 by mu2, some values are given to you. Sine theta is mu1 by mu2, and we need to find tan theta. What will be the tan theta? This option they will give you in terms of tan theta. What will be the tan theta we need to answer? Yes. Sine theta is mu1 by mu2. We need to find tan theta. Okay. I am solving this question. You will match whether you are correct or you are not correct. Okay. Then you will tell. Okay. You will message like this that I was correct. Okay. So I am going to solve. You will also solve. Okay. But you will not cheat. I will be solving here. You will. So we can say I will be solving. Okay. You can solve yours. This will be theta. I can take. This is the here mu1. This we can say as the mu2. So this base now directly I can write base will be equal to this hypotenuse square minus this square. So we can say here this one mu2 square minus mu1 square. Okay, directly I will do this way. So we can say that I need tan theta. So tan theta, that will be the perpendicular. It is the mu1 divided by root of here mu2 square minus mu1 square. I got this answer. I hope you also got the same answer. Yes, same answer we got. Okay, good. Okay, like this somewhere we will match our options. Okay, in the questions. This part is over. Means in this part what we learned? We learned your trigonometric ratios as well as Pythagoras. Okay, how we can find perpendicular base as well as our edge using the Pythagoras things. Okay, can we go for next? Sir, what is CUET NTA is telling about? They are going to add to NEET. Whatever exam in this, okay, entire India will happen. That will happen. Okay, that will be for everyone, not only for you. Why you are so much worried? You should be worried whether this question I got or I didn't got this question. If next year they ask this thing that sine theta is mu r by mu d, they will not tell. They will say that ray is moving from a rarer to denser medium. What are your out of that correct option? We need to select one. Why you are worried about CUET and this? You should be prepared. Okay, you should focus on the preparation. What I said in the beginning, in the first class, I told that without any stress, we need to just focus on the preparation, not what will happen. Everything good will happen, but entire duration of the, okay, in this duration, if you keep on thinking what will happen, when will be the exam, when this will happen, then problem will be there. You need to enjoy these things. We are getting the things. Okay, this is the stage of knowledge accumulation. You need to get some confidence. Later on, government is giving any examination. Now you will be ready to fight any type of competition if you have the knowledge. If you don't have knowledge and confidence, you will not be able to find even a small, okay, this chinna type of competition. Even 100 people are sitting, you will not be able to secure your rank. So what are the base thing? That you have to be, first of all, any type of competition happening throughout the country, we are prepared. That should be the attitude. So next question is for, okay, this part is over here. Now we'll go for, okay, I'm going to ask some values. Sir, could you please how to find other values? Sine 35, sine 53. Yes, we'll go, okay, in STC rule. But before that, I will be asking some standard values, okay? Someone is asking, sir, 35, 53, 18, how we can do? So first, basic things. If I ask 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, at least these values we need to remember. I hope you remember all the things. What are the sine 30? Sine 30? Okay, 1030, 1030. 1030. Okay, yes, almost everyone is very clear. So in okay, just okay, I will write here In just 1 minute, I will write sine, cos as well as tan, okay? And you are going to remember this thing. So here I can write sine theta, I can write here cos, and here I can write your tan, okay? And this theta value I can write here in this one, that is the 0. I can write here, this is the 30 degree. 30 degree is also pi by 6. You need to, okay, always remember this thing. Whenever I say 30, you will treat this one as the pi by 6. We can say 45 degree, that is the pi by 4 here. Then we can say this is the 60 degree. Then we can say pi by 3 here. Then we can write here, this is the 90 degree and this is the pi by 2, okay. Up to this, we need to remember other angles. We will, okay, have some other methods to find the values, okay. First of all, there should not be any doubt in these values. If I ask what is the sine 0, then you can say sine 0 is going to be 0, okay. Sine 0 is 0. Lot of things in SHM we can just do by this table only. If you are perfect in this table, lot of questions, okay, without any formula we can solve the questions of oscillation as well as wave. And whenever phasor will be used, phasor can be used in the your oscillation as well as in AC also we can use. Sine 30 we can say half, 45 we can say 1 by root 2, 60 we can say root 3 by 2, and this is going to be 1. For the cos, you have to just reverse, okay. Here, like this. So we can say this is 1 here. This will be the root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. And we can write here in this one 1 by 2. And this is going to be 0, okay. And tan is nothing but the sine theta, okay. Sir, tell reciprocal with example of root or something complicated. Which reciprocal? Cos means you are asking for cosec and sec. Cosec and means sine, cosec will be just 1 by sine theta. There is nothing complicated. I can write the values. Okay, I will write. Tan theta, okay, you need to remember this thing, that tan theta is nothing but the sine theta by cos theta, okay. Sine theta by cos theta. If you want, you can prove also. Okay, sine theta you can say. So now we can say sine theta by cos theta. So here we can say tan theta, just divide. So we can say here 0. This will be how much? 1 by root 3. This if you divide then 1. Here we can say this will be your root 3. And what we can say here? If you divide, it is, okay, not defined basically. Whenever you will divide, okay, with 0, 1 by 0, 1 by 0 we can say not defined. We can represent with not defined. Of course, we cannot write anything. So we are representing with this infinity. But actually we say, we don't use the word in. What is the meaning of infinity? Infinity means which is not defined. Infinity means which is beyond our definition. That we are, okay. So means infinity or not defined, okay. Yes. So this table is clear. Anyone having any problem? Okay, so from this table you need to tell me, if I ask what will be the value of cosec 30, what will be value of cosec 30? From this table only you need to tell. Answer is 2, yes, okay. Means we don't have to mug up whole things, okay. Very less things we need to mug up, okay. If I ask what is the value of cot 60, what would be the value of cot 60? What do you say? Yes, you can say, sir, tan 60 is root 3, so that will be the 1 by root 3, okay. What would be the value of sec 45? Sec 45, what will be the value? What do you say? Root 2. Yes, everyone is saying root 2, very good. If I say, what would be value of cot 45, cot, COT, yes, 1, yes, okay, this will be 1. So almost you are clear about these things. Can we go for some more angles now? Means standard angles. Cot 90, you can say 0. Just reverse. You can say 0, okay. Sir, cosec 60, sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2, okay. Sine 60 is this one, na? So what we can say? your cosec 60. Can you tell me the cosec 60? 1, okay. So we can say how much? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Yes, Galaxy. Your name is Galaxy here, okay. I don't know your real name. I hope this is clear now. Galaxy, can we find any angles? Means these are the well-defined angle, okay? Mostly used 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Huh? Any other you want to ask, or I can go for next one? We can go for next. These are the standard angles. Most of the time we will use these angles. Means must be remembered here. It should be there in your, okay? Each cell of this brain must have sine theta, cos theta, tan theta after today class. Yes, game of this is over. Okay, over. Now I will be having, suppose we got some angles like 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 15 degree, okay, 53 degree, or any degree, okay, any of the random degree we got, we need to find, okay. So first I will tell up to 10 degree, okay. So if I say that here, suppose this one is the line here, this is the your initial position reference line. If I just rotate this line by this, so this angle is okay, or just I am here, okay. What you say, okay, these angles that I am making here, these angles are very large angle with respect to the initial line, or very small angles? These angles that I have taken 3 positions, these are basically quite small angles, okay. Up to what we can take the small angles, because you know full rotation, if I make the full rotation of this line, that will be the 360. So out of 360, what we can take the small? What can be the small angle for us? Roughly up to 10, okay, up to 10 degree we can take as the small angles, okay. So next we are going to have a small angle approximation. You can write the heading, a small angle approximation, quite important for us, a small angle approximation. But everyone knows that a small angle means theta. Generally we take up to, okay, what, up to your 10 degree, okay. But somewhere suppose you have to find the 11 degree also, we can consider that 11 also as the small, okay. Suppose you have to find 12 and you don't have time, you don't have the table, then 12 also we can consider, there is no problem, okay. Means in physics approximation is valid. I will tell up to what limit we can take the approximation. This thing also we will discuss. Up to 10, but up to 10 is the official, okay. And there are the few things official, few things non-official, little bit flexibility is there. So what are the flexibility? That 1-2 degree you can manage, okay, there is no problem, okay. Theta up to 10 degree means we can take as the small, okay. Now if I say that here, this is, okay, one circle here, this is the our reference line, initially line, okay. Now in this one, if I move from, okay, this is the your base initial line, okay, and if I move from here to here, okay, I can make it somewhat thin, much better. Yes, I'm moving from this, okay, here. What do you think? This angle is small or large? Whatever this angle will be here, this angle is basically, yes, very small angle, okay. Now if this is the very small angle here, and you know that theta equal to arc by radius is valid for a small angle or for any angle? Theta equal to, I have told you, arc by radius is valid for a small angle or for all angles. I can use for anyone. Arc by radius, what do you say? Yes, it is for all, because okay, in the last class I didn't talk about a small angle. In this class I'm starting, okay, small angles, means I didn't wrote any condition. So theta equal to arc by radius we can use for anyone, there is no problem, okay, anyone we can use, okay. Listen, I can say that this is the center here, this point I can say P, this point I can say is the Q, okay. If I write here theta equal to arc by radius, so we can say, you can say, so theta equal to arc in this case is the PQ divided by radius. Radius we can say just, okay, it will be your what? Radius can I say is the r here? Yes, r. Huh? This will be also r then. What do you say? This, if this is the r, this will be also r. Yes, this will be r. Okay, you know that any point here, if I take, that will be also r. This side also r. This side also r. So you can say CP as well as CQ both are the r here. Okay, is PQ divided by, we can say in this case, directly I can write r. Okay, so PQ by r are written. Okay, theta is PQ by r. Now, if I, okay, in this case, if I make perpendicular here, see this one. Is this first class? This is the second class. First class is there in the YouTube. Very less things were discussed in the first class. Okay. Now, if I draw one perpendicular like this, okay. Now, you can see there is a very less difference. This perpendicular, I can say this point edge M. Okay. So now, can you say like this here that CM is almost equal to CP? CM is almost equal to CP. What do you say? True or false? CM is almost equal to CP. CM and this CP almost same. Because that MP difference is there, and that is very, 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 very less. Okay. If angle is small, then only this difference is less. Because if I take now in next slide, if suppose angle is not okay, like I take here, okay, angle is not small, angle is large. And if angle is large, then when you will draw the perpendicular, then this is the C, this is the M, then CM and CP will be same when angle will be large. When angle is large, then it will not be same. So it will be same only when angle is small. Means we are writing basically for a small angle. So CM is almost equivalent to CP. Okay, CM and CP are same. Means can I say this will be equal to almost R? Yes, CM is almost equal to R. Okay, this will be the R here. Okay. Now, can I say one more thing that this one? Okay, MQ is almost equal to PQ. MQ is almost equal to PQ. Yes, MQ means this is the MQ, this is the PQ, almost same. If it is the small angle, then only MQ and PQ will be same. Otherwise, if this is the large angle, like here can I say this MQ and PQ to be same? These two will not be same. These two will be same only if angle is very, very, very small. Yes. If angle is very, very small, then we can see what? MQ and PQ to be same. Okay. I hope there is no problem with these two lines here that are written. Because later on you will not remember the proof. Later on you will remember whatever line I will say. I will say this is truth and you will assume this is the truth. Okay. If I say sine theta, so you can say, sir, sine theta is going to be perpendicular. Now in this triangle, okay, you can say this right angle is there. Let's see in this right angle. So in this right angle, we can say perpendicular by base. Anna? Sine theta. What will be the sine theta? P divided by H. Okay. So now we can see here in this case perpendicular, that is the basically your MQ divided by, that will be the your, okay. What are the H basically? R. Sine theta equal to perpendicular divided by H. H is basically what? R. Is there any problem? MQ by R. Now we can say MQ is basically equal to what? PQ. So we can say this is the almost equivalent to PQ by R. But you know what are the PQ by R? PQ by R is basically what? Theta. It means we can say sine theta is almost equal to theta. Okay. Sine theta is almost equal to theta. But everyone knows that this theta should be in radian or degree. This theta should be in radian or degree. This must be always in radian. This must be in radian. So I hope this proof we got. If you got this proof, very, very good. And if you didn't got this proof, then you have to mug up today. That sine theta equal to theta. Only condition is sine theta equal to theta. Theta must be in radian. Okay, that is the only condition. Theta must be in radian. Theta must be in radian. Okay. Whenever you want to write sine theta equal to theta, you can freely write up to 10 degree. We can freely write. Okay, you can freely write, but theta should be in radian. Same way, you can say sir tan theta. If you prove for tan theta, then you can say sir tan theta equal to perpendicular. That is the same thing, MQ divided by base, and base in this case is almost equal to R. So we can say MQ by R. Then also we can say as the PQ by R. So we can say tan theta is almost equal to theta. So from these two conclusions, what we can write, that sine theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. So we can say this conclusion here, sine theta equal to, I will write, okay, sine theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Means whenever up to 10 degree, whenever a small angle is there, then always sine theta, tan theta will be same, and we will write always as theta. I will use a lot of time sine theta equal to tan theta in physics. We are going to use sine theta, tan theta same equal to theta. If I ask here cos theta, then you will say, sir, cos theta equal to, we can say here this will be the base by h, that is going to be your r by r, and r by r we can say it is going to be approximately 1. So what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is remain 1 up to 10 degree. Cos theta remain 1 up to 10 degree. If I ask what is the value of cos 1 degree? Cos 1 degree. Cos 1 degree 1. Cos 3 degree. Cos 3 degree 1. Cos 5 degree 1. Cos 8 degree 1. Cos 9 degree 1. Cos 10 degree 1. If I ask cos 11 degree, 11 degree, what do you say? What we will use in our numerical? Suppose anywhere 11 degree comes, you will take 1. Okay, I said na, little flexibility you have in physics. Okay, we are not having mathematics, so we have a little bit flexibility. We can use roughly. Okay, yes, we can take the value as 1. Okay, 11 comes, 12 comes, we can take. So at 15 degree I will tell. Okay, don't worry. Sir, 15 degree we are going. Why you have to give NEET examination tomorrow? Tomorrow is the NEET examination? Of course no. Okay, in the initial stage, slowly we, okay, today, from today, if I say that let's have, okay, race today, 13 kilometer, 15 kilometer race, of course you will not be able to do. If I say let's walk for 20 meter, 50 meter, 100 meter, you can say yes, there is no problem. Okay, today 100 meter, tomorrow 200 meter, next day 500 meter, after 15 days 1 kilometer, after 1 month 2 kilometer also problem will not be there, and after 5-6 months, even if you have to go 10-20 kilometer, then problem will not be there. Okay, we'll go slowly, like cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, cos 4 degree, cos 5 degree, cos 6 degree, cos 7 degree. Okay, up to 10 we can say that value is going to be 1. Okay, now, and we can say sine theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Okay, sine theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Clear? Sine theta, tan theta equal to theta, but what is the condition? Theta must be always in, theta should be in radian all the time. Theta must be in radian. Okay, yes, I will take some of the question. Okay, I hope you are ready for this. So first I am going to ask here very simple question. Cos 2 degree, cos 2 degree, yes, cos 7.5 degree. I am writing the answer because I know you know these things. Okay, if I take any other things also here, cos 3.2 degree, answer is 1. Means anything in cos up to 10, it is going to be your 1. Okay, now next question that I am going to ask here, sine 1 degree. Okay, you need to find value of sine 1 degree. Just now I have told you sine theta equal to theta. Okay, sine theta equal to theta, but this theta should be radian. Means first of all, whatever the sign you having, you need to convert this one into radian. If you convert this one into radian, then there is no problem. So what we can write, first of all, I will write this one as sine, and this one first of all I have to convert into radian. In last class I told you can just multiply pi by 180. If you multiply pi by 180, then okay, it will be converted to radian. So we can say 1 into how much here? Pi by 180. Okay, so sine 1 into, okay, now this is basically radian. If I say na, this is not in degree, now this is the radian, and once you got sine, okay, this theta is in radian, then directly we can write sine theta equal to theta. Now we can say this is equal to pi by 180. Okay, pi by 180. But what value of pi I have to put here? What value of pi I have to put here? 3.14. Okay, don't do mistake. Okay, you will be putting here 3.14. Okay, so 3.14 divided by 180. Okay, no need to solve. Later on when we will put in the questions we can solve. Okay, so this will be the, I hope this one is clear. Sine 1 degree, but first 1 degree we need to convert into radian by multiplying pi by 180. Once this is in radian, then we can write sine theta equal to theta. Okay, what do you say about this question then? Suppose if I give you here tan 3 degree, you know that in the tan also same method will be applicable. Sir, why only pi by 180? Because in the last class I said, okay, you need to watch previous video. Very small topic I told in the last class, radian and degree conversion. In that I told we need to multiply with pi by 180. Okay, you can watch. Okay, last 20 minutes you can watch actually. So we can say this will be the 10 and 3, okay? We need to convert into radian. And how we can convert? The method is same, pi by 180. So we can say here, this will be the pi by 180. Now this one is basically in radian, okay? So you can say this will be equal to what? Tan theta equal to theta. This value we can put. Here you can cancel also. We can say this is the 3. So this will be the 60. So final answer becomes pi by 60. Pi value you will put your 3.14 divided by 60. Roughly we can calculate when required. So can you give me the answer for next question? Yes? Answer for next question. Ready? Okay. So we'll go for next one. Okay. Add na? Anyone having doubt here? In this, if you have doubt, you can freely ask. I will tell. Because later on, a small angle, I will not explain anywhere. Okay. 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 So give me the value of sine 7 degree. Sine 7 degree. Sine 7 degree. Sine 7 degree. Give me rough value, okay, in the decimal. Rough value in the decimal you can give. Rough value in the decimal by putting value of pi. By putting value of pi, approximately. So we can say here, I'm asking for sine 7 degree. So we can write here sine 7 degree. First, this one we can convert into radian, pi by 180. Now we can say this is basically radian, so this one we can write 7 into pi by 180. This is the actual value that everyone is giving the answer here. Now we can say what value of pi I need to put. What I have to put for the pi. Okay, it is not that everywhere you have to put 3.14. Okay, 3.14. You have one more value also, not 22 by 7. I said whenever you get something, we can cancel, so we can go with the 22 by 7 right now here. So you can say 7 by 180 and we'll go with 22 by 7. This will be cancelled, 7, 7. So we got here, this will be the 11, this will be the, we can say 90. So we got this value as 11 by 90. Now I think this is very easy for you to calculate if you have to get in the decimal. Yes? So 3.14 or we can go with the 22 by 7. Okay? Clear? 0.12. Yes, 0.12. Can we go for next question? Next question. So up to 10 degree, if I ask any question, up to 10 degree in sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, anyone if I ask. If I ask, suppose what will be the value of, sec 3 degree, sec 3 degree. What will be the value of sec 3 degree? Yes, you will think in terms of sine, cos and tan only, okay? Yes, 1, okay? If I ask, value of, suppose, like cosec 7, then cosec 7, what you will do? Cosec 7, you will solve for sine 7 only. Later on, you will, okay? Yes, we can say answer will be 90 by 11. Game is over. This game is also over. A small angle. We can find any angle up to 10 degree, 11 degree like this. Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec of this word. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Sir, I am not able to find value of 3.2 degree. Once you say about sec, I am saying if you are able to find value of cos, if cos is x, if value of cos is x, then sec will be 1 by x. Okay, Vivo 1906. If cos is suppose x, then sec will be 1 by x, whatever we are getting. You know, in cos, for the small angle up to 10 degree, we take value as 1 in our calculation. In physics, we have to take as 1, okay? 11 degree also you can take as 1, there is no problem, okay? So sec also we can take as 1, okay? So I hope we are ready for any type of questions in a small angle. If angle is, okay, whatever the angle they give, 3.2, 2.5, 3 point anything. Yes, okay. Can I ask some questions now? Okay, so write one question here. Question is that okay, a tower subtends angle of 1 minute. Is sec same as cos? Listen, sec is not same as cos. Cos and sec relation is okay, reciprocal, we can say. Cos theta is 1 by sec theta, or we can say sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Like if cos value you got 1 by 2, if cos you got 1 by 2, then sec will be 2. Okay, this is the thing. Question I'm giving. Okay, what are the question? A tower subtends angle of 1 minute. Okay, I will write here. First I'm explaining. Means this is the question here. This is one tower. Okay, and this tower is basically subtending angle of, you are the observer. Okay, so I cannot draw full observer here. I can just draw the eyes. Okay, because if I draw full observer, then okay, my art is not very okay. Someone is saying draw, so I will draw. Okay, this is the observer and this is the eye of the observer. Okay, now this observer is observing this tower, TV tower, okay, radio, anyone, okay, and it is subtending angle of angle of 1 minute. Okay, in last class, if you remember, I told you about 1 minute. So you can write the language. Tower subtends angle of 1 minute, at eyes of observer. Angle of 1 minute at eyes of observer. Okay, 1 minute is the keyword here, at eyes of observer. Clear? 1 minute is a small angle or large angle? What do you say? 1 minute? A small angle. Okay, this thing should be clear. Okay, and a small angle means sine theta, theta are same. Okay, means what is the sine theta? Sine theta equal to theta, and theta is what? Arc by radius. Theta is nothing but the arc by radius. Means sine theta, tan theta, and theta are same. That is the arc by radius for the small angle. Okay. If distance of tower from man, if distance of tower from man is 700 meter, find height of tower. Distance is 700 meter. Find, or we can get 1400 meter. Okay, better. 1400 meter. Find height of tower. Means h you need to find. This is the height of the tower we need to find. So you can see, can I use in this question theta equal to arc by radius, because you can see that here in this one, this angle is very small, so this will act like arc or perpendicular, both will be same. Can I say this thing? Sine theta equal to theta, we can say like this, sine theta equal to theta, and we can say what? Theta is basically what? Arc by radius, or we can say sine theta h. Can I use this thing, sine theta equal to theta for a small angle? Arc by radius? Yes. So we can say h divided by 1400. Is there any problem in this one? Now, but you know that when we write a sine theta equal to theta, when we write this thing, theta must be always in radian all the time. That is the main thing. Okay, theta should be always in radian. And here theta is not in radian. Theta is basically in your 1 minute. So 1 minute, first of all, you need to convert into your degree. And the degree you have to convert into your radian. How we can convert? We can say 1 minute. Okay, this is the 1 minute basically, I can say. This is the 1 minute we can write. And we can write 1 minute. And everyone knows 1 minute is, okay, minute is basically 1 by 60 degree. I hope this term is clear here, 1 by 60 degree. 1 minute, 1 by 60 degree. And then we can write, okay, 1 by 60. And degree, if you have to convert, then we can write pi by 180. Okay, this is the radian. If you have any problem in this conversion here, but this is the conversion required in all the question you have to do. Theta will be given in the minute, theta can be in the seconds, theta can be in the degree. So we have to convert that thing into your radian all the time. Once you got the radian, then we can say theta equal to this, theta equal to, you can say always arc by radius, because angle is small, always we'll use theta equal to arc by radius. So now we can say theta equal to arc by radius, means that is the h by 1400. Now let's put the values here. Theta we got here 1 by 60 into pi by 180. So let's okay, 20 cancelled here. Then we can say h by 14 equal to, we can write here 1 by 6 into pi value. I will put 22 by 7 into 18. So we can say 7. This will be how much here? 2. This will be how much here? 3. So we can say h becomes in this case 22 divided by, yes, 54 meter. So I hope this question is clear. 11 by 27. You can write 11 by 27 means that is over. Okay. Question is clear. 0. Later on, I know you are expert. You are expert of calculation. You can do. Okay. Mainly concept is clear here. Sir, we take root. Where root is there? Arey Amina, where you got the root in this question? Where is the root? I am not able to find anywhere root. Theta equal to just arc by radius. This is theta. Always you will write this by this. Sine theta equal to, you will, what I'm writing here in this case, listen, I'm writing sine theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Whenever angle is small, tan theta equal to perpendicular divided by base, we can write. Okay. Is there any problem in this one? Can we do one more question? Yes. One more question here. Okay. So exactly same question I'm going to give you. I'm giving you 10-second time first of all, because this okay thing some people feel little bit problem here. So I'm giving 10-second time. You can ask first of all if you want any question here. Yes. Okay. No problem. Okay. Now same question they can ask. Okay, that one star is there, any planet is there. Okay, any astronomical body is there. Okay, sun is there, moon is there. Okay, so okay, any question can be like this. So I'm giving a star subtends angle of 840 seconds at eyes of observer. Find diameter of star. Only language will be changed. Okay, if distance of star from earth, distance of star from earth is 10 power 14 meter. Okay, 10 power 14 meter distance is given to you. Now we need to answer. So you can say, sir, if this is the star here, okay, and here we are, this is the observer. So basically this is subtending how much angle here? Yes, this is the we can say your diameter, that is the small d, and this distance I can write as the capital D. Okay, so you can write in this case angle of 840 seconds. You can always write theta equal to, and what you will write basically theta arc by radius. We can just say a small d divided by capital D. Okay, and here angle is very, very small. That's why this approximate, we are writing this one at the approximately. We are not solving this question exactly. Okay. So approximately we can say theta equal to small d by capital D, means this diameter. Okay. Otherwise you can say, sir, I have to take this value, not this value. Okay. So we are assuming that this one and this one to be same because angle is to be very, 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 very small. Okay. So theta is roughly d by d here. Now only one thing is there, that this theta you need to put, because capital D is given to you in the question. And what is the value of capital D? Capital D is given to us, that the 10 power 14 meter. A small d you need to find. Only theta you need to convert into radian. Theta is in the second. So first of all, I will convert here. Theta is 840 seconds. 840 seconds you have to convert into minute. First of all, how many minutes will be there? How many minutes? Because you know, second, we can write like this: 840 into 1 second will be 1 by 60 minute. Okay. So if you solve this one, you can say this becomes 14 minute. And once you got this one as the 14 minute, then we can say 1 minute is how much? 1 by 60 degree. 1 minute, okay, will be 1 by 60 degree. There is a sequence of conversion little bit, okay. So we can say 14 into, I think this is, we can write here 14 into this one, 1 by 60 degree, and then we can write into your radian 14 by 60 into pi by 180 radian. Okay. Don't multiply here. We will do the multiplication at the last moment. Okay. So now we can say theta we got. So theta value we can put here. There is the 14 by 60 into pi value we can put here. How much? 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 180. This theta equal to, we can write, this is the theta basically. Okay. This theta equal to, we can write small d by capital D, small d divided by capital D, that is the 10 power 14. Now we can say this becomes here 2. This becomes here 3. So now we can say capital D, I mean small d will be equal to 22 into 10 power 14 divided by 18 into 3 will be the 54 into 10 power 2. I think, yes. So you can say this one becomes how much? Using 2 we can cancel. So 11 divided by 27 into 10 power 12 meter. This is the answer here. I hope we got this question. Little bit lengthy. Calculation is more. But if anyone is asking question like this, can we do? Can we proceed for these questions? I think in this confidence is not there. And you got confidence in these type of questions, or more practice required? More practice required? I took theta equal to arc by radius. Whenever angle is small, then sine theta, tan theta, and theta is same. Yes, more practice required. I know, okay. I know in this method some more practice is required, okay. So either we will do practice in the next class, or I can send you homework. What do you say? Homework, or in the next class we'll do the practice? Some question homework? Okay, so some question homework I am giving right now here. Okay, right now 3-4 questions I can write. Okay, and or I can send also. Okay, and next class also we'll do. Okay, there is no problem. Yes, because sometimes direct questions they are asking. From this method, they have asked direct questions. We will use also this method in our optics. We will use, but they have asked directly exactly same question that 1 minute we did not previously. They have asked one time. And they ask very basic question. Okay. Yes. So listen here. I'm giving one question, okay? This is there, and I'm not giving the language. Only I will be giving here that this is the 5 minute, and I can give you this one as okay, 50 meter. You need to find this capital D. Okay, this is the question number 1. Okay, I hope you can do. Can we do this one? This first question. Only 2 questions I will give you. Okay, only 2. And another question I am giving you here. This is the okay 2 degree I have given, and this is the okay I can say 500 meter, and you need to find h. Only 2 questions. I hope you can do. Very simple question. Remember, here this is the minute, and here this is the degree. Okay, so this question is quite simple because just directly degree you can write into radian. Okay, so we'll do some other things in the next class. ASTC we need to complete, but we are not done. So no problem, we'll do in the next class. Okay, bye, bye, bye. Enjoy. Okay. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Yes, you got 30-second time. If anything you want to ask fast. 30 seconds. Any other question? Any random question I can take at the last? Do we have classes tomorrow? Yes, you will have classes tomorrow. Now you cannot ask this question. That's anytime classes will be there. Okay. Till the NEET examination, you are not okay getting the seat. Classes will be there. Okay. Next question. Anyone? Okay, done. Bye then.